Hello and welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley, where today you join me to work on my project E90 BMW 325i and bring it back to nice shape after the prior owner let it go a bit. And today what we're going to be solving is, well, that right there and the hood that can't be held up on its own by installing some new gas struts for the hood and the rear trunk lid. Now these struts, I'm using some that I picked up off of Amazon. These puppies for a pair is about 50 bucks. I'll show you how to get them installed, and if you want to take care of this on your own, go ahead, follow along with me and use the link down in the description below for some gas struts for your E90 as well. Save a few bucks, get it done yourself. Luckily, a project like this is pretty simple to do. Once you go ahead and order these struts, well, then from there, we can just pull them out and go ahead and replace them. Now, these struts are not rebuildable, but you can place them on, replace it, and this is gonna take care of holding that trunk up just fine. You'll be amazed, even holding this in hand, you almost just, there's basically no way to compress this thing, but because of the mechanical leverage of your trunk closing, they actually carry quite a bit of load. Now, it's important to go ahead and stabilize whatever you're holding up. In the case of this trunk, we are going to be able to do this in relatively short order. Pull our clips off, and you're going to have one more clip down here at the bottom. So just get your pry tool in, up and out of the way. And at that point, pretty easy. You can just pull these off and put it aside. Now, of course, I'd suggest we take a rag, clean up the ball end on both sides of this piece. That cleaned up there as well. So that's nice and clean. And unlike when we were taking these off, you can actually install them without pulling up that retaining clip. So to make it sure that this is going to be able to operate nice and clean, I'm going to take a little bit of white lithium grease, just spray ever so just a tad in there. We'll get that done on the other side as well. This is going to just make sure it's going to move freely. Take our rag, make sure we get any of the excess pulled off. As simple as pressing the strut on, it's going to click into place. And then we'll go ahead and do the same up top. And this is going to take a little bit of pressure to get it over, but it'll click right into place. And now we are all installed. I'll do it real quick on the other side just so you can see. Go. Boom. And then now, look at that. It holds in place just like it should. Perfect. And I'll get that out of the way so we can close this puppy up. There we go. Magic. Now it's basically the same task up front, but a little bit different because we're going to have to find a way to hold this hood up in place while we do the shocks. Same deal here, nothing all that special. Just go ahead and get that part unclicked. All right. There we go. There we go. Whew. There we are. That thing is trash. These ball ends cleaned up. Bottom one on first. There we go. And just one of them's enough to hold up the hood. There you go. That guy's installed and working fresh. Take our new one here. A little there. A little there. And then now, and there you have it, a quick and easy fix for getting rid of some gas struts that don't work. And now our hood is going to go down just like it should. And with a little click, right back up it goes as well. So thank you so much for joining me on this Junior's Gasoline Alley. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll put up on the screen now the dollar amount I'm into on the E90 restoration and resale project. So go ahead and follow the channel if you want to see more, and thanks for watching.